Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. OMG, I have received some happy mail today. I knew that I had a parcel coming from the lovely Christine Mortimer, but I didn't know just how lovely it was going to be. Oh my gosh, you wait till you see what she has sent. So Christine, thank you so much. Honestly, you really spoil me. So these are all the goodies. Let me show you what she has sent. So the first things that she has sent, and oh my gosh, I don't have any of these like this. These are all, oh my gosh, there are so many different things. There's these wonderful little vintage playing cards. Look how absolutely gorgeous these cards are. Look, with the flowers on. Let me just put these down. Look how pretty are they. They are just super lovely. Oh my gosh, I do not have anything like this. These are so cute. I just love them. Anything vintage I just love. And look at these playing cards here. Hang on, there are so many different ones here. Let me, oh my gosh, I don't know how she's done this, because there's all these world weddings. Oh look, world weddings these are called. Let's have a look. Miss Holland, Mr. Switzerland, Miss Norway, and Mr. America. Oh, they are just super cute. Let me just, oh my gosh, how did she get all these different cards? And look at these with the flowers. Harebell, dandelion, forget-me-not, and great bindweed. Oh, look at these. You wouldn't even need to decorate the back. They are just, oh my gosh, they're delicious. Let's have a look at these ones. More flower. Where did you find all of these? They are just lovely. And look, we've got more flower ones here. Oh, they're scrumptious. Let's have a look here. What are these? These are, look, faction cards and that. I've not got anything like this. Look at these. And what's these ones? Head of a Man. Angel Virgin of the Rocks, Paris. Study of a rearing horse. And Mona Lisa. Look at these. Oh, another flower. Oh, look at these ones. Oh, Pretty Kitty, Silly Goose, Slick Chick, Tanned Turtle, Brown Mouse, Sassy Squirrel, Gay Dog, Wise Owl, Funny Bunny, Sly Fox, Woolly Lamb. Oh, hang on, there are different ones. Look, Animal Rummy. Oh, I love them. Guess which one's my favourite? The little pretty kitty. That's going in my cat journal. I'm going to put that. I have a box over there to my right for my cat things, so that I can keep all my cat things together. Oh, what are these ones? Hearts. Oh, look at these cards. I don't know how you found all these. I really don't. Crazy eights. Look at these. Oh, look, round cards. Oh, wow. I have never seen round cards. Oh, look. There's another cat. Oh, that is going in my cat journal. Finches, freshwater fish. And then we have these, which are just adorable. They've got little stories. Once upon a time, an old ass. Is that what you say for donkey? Ass. Does that sound right? I wasn't swearing. Once upon a time, an old ass, overhearing his master planning to get rid of him because he could work no longer, decided to run away. He met on the road a dog, a cat, and a cock, all of whom were in a similar predicament to himself. They decided to form an orchestra and play for a living. Wow. Delighted with the success of their plan, the two cunning coachmen met the next day and shared the money. They then sat and ate the banquet, although it must be confessed that at times they could hardly eat for laughing. They are so adorable. Oh, look. We've got another cat. And a cow. Oh, and Charlie. Oh, look. Back front. Right, that's another cat one for my journal. Anything cat is going there. Oh, what are these? Tidbits. Oh, these are cute. Oh, look. You make up a purse. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love them. Oh, we must do something really fun with them. They are just... Like, you are not even funny. Just being so rude. And then we have these, which are times 9.50, 8.10, 3.15 and 7.20. Well, that one, we're getting married. It's supposed to be at 3, so it might be 3.15. I can alter it. Little time cards. Look. Right, how am I supposed to show everything? And then we have wordiness. These are lavish, impeccable, seraphic. The seraphic countenances of the little children caused him great joy. Momentous and modicum. Oh, I've got another one here, which is verbiage. Characterizes all his speeches. Wow, right. Oh my gosh. Just, you know what? He doesn't even ask my permission. He just comes and lays and takes up all of the space. Right, I know what's going to happen to these things. They're all going to end up on the floor. Right, these are my cat ones, so they're going to go over there. And then, look at this lovely folder. That is so cute. I love the folder that these bits and pieces are in as well. So there's a lovely, gorgeous folder. Oh my gosh, you are making my life so hard. And in this bag, we have a Union Jack paper bag, a lovely fun, like a party bag. So we'll put them there. And then we've got some lovely, gorgeous coloured index cards. Lots of index cards. Some lovely, like vintage type paper. Oh, I love these. Look at these with all these. Aren't they gorgeous? I love them. Really thin sort of paper to decorate things with. Then there's these lovely, oh, look at these recipe cards. I like these a lot. I love the recipe cards. I love it all. Got some more faction cards. Wow, you must have been on a little trek around charity shops or something, because look at all of, oh, these are going to make great tags and tuck spots and all sorts of, I love these. I've seen these on other people's videos and I have never ever managed to find them. And then we've got bridge scorecards, which can be again used, and then these lovely like memo pad stuff I need. Oh gosh, I really need that to write my wedding stuff that I'm in. And there's another one here. Look at all of these gorgeous yumminess goodies. Oh my goodness me. And then if that wasn't enough, oh gosh, this video's ended up all over the place, Charles, and it's all your fault. If that wasn't enough, she has also, look, included a card. Don't you know? Ow! A card for me and Tony, and a wedding present. Look. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. Nearly. You nearly ripped that open. No. Ow. That is so naughty. Look at this gorgeous. I'm going to try and show. Right. I need. Ow. Ow. Right. Get off. Get off the table. You're being very vicious. I'll distract him. Look at this gorgeous. Oh, ow. No, 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 no. Right. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Right. That. Ow, you caught. I mean. Ouch. Now that really hurt and you made me bleed. He's not funny anymore. Honestly, you have become really horrible to your mum and he made me bleed. Right, you can have the bit of paper, but I'm not really happy with you. I'm not happy with you. Have it, have it. No, have the bit of paper. Ow. He made me bleed. Right, I need to get you off the table now because you're being horrible, so ow. He got his claw stuck in my hand. Can you go? Can you move? Please. Move. Right, I do have a gorgeous, gorgeous present, which I'm trying to do it without him seeing. Look at this gorgeous present, which I am going to put away and we're going to open when we get back from our wedding. I'm so sorry about his behaviour. Oh, he really hurt me. Got his claw stuck right down my nail. Ow. I'm going to show everyone. Right, look. Ow. Oh, look what he did. I can't even show you. Right, go away now. Look what he did. He made me bleed. Right down my nail. Right, so I'm going to go now. I just want to say a huge, huge, huge... Oh, now you are really showing everybody your behaviour. I don't know what's wrong with him. You're going through it. This is like the terrible twos, but he's actually 4. I do not know. Where's your sweet Charlie gone? Right, I am going to go. Christine, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. I want to move all my bits, but he's going to attack me, and I don't know what's going on. I need to take you to a cat trainer, don't I? Don't I? I need to take you to a cat trainer, because you're being awfully, awfully naughty. Right, I'm going to go, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Christine, thank you so much for spoiling me. And I'm sorry Charles has ruined this video. There are so many wonderful goodies. And I am so touched. Right, he's gone now. How horrible was he then? Look at all these goodies. But I can show you my present now. I'm sorry, he did bite the corner of it. I can't see what it is. And he hasn't actually wrecked it, and I'm so sorry. And it's got a lovely little card there, and look how she's wrapped it up with this gorgeous, gorgeous lace. So I'm going to put the card with that, and I have a couple of other presents from lovely people as well, and cards, so I'm going to leave them. We're going to open them all when we get back as a married couple. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm so sorry about the naughtiness of my naughty cat. He really is naughty, naughty, naughty. I'm going to go and put all my treasures away. They're all going in my vintage box that I have. But thank you again, Christine. Love you lots. Love you so much. Love you all. Take care. See you all later. Bye bye.